In this section, I'm going to teach you about basic starting hands. Basic starting hands that I would consider playable would be anything from a pair of 8s, a pair of 9s, a pair of 10s, a pair of jacks, a pair of queens, a pair of kings, and of course, your pair of aces, your highest starting hand in Texas Holdem. Other options, if you don't get a starting hand of pair of 8s or higher, are playing what I consider blackjack hands. Blackjack hands would be ace, king, which in the game would be, in a blackjack game would be considered 21, ace, queen, another blackjack hand, ace, jack, another blackjack hand, and ace, 10. Also, great starting hands are any two face cards that have, can be shown as by king jack, queen 10, or vice versa, queen jack, king 10, and etc.